Today we're making easy, fluffy pita bread. 250 warm water, 1 packet of yeast, 1 tablespoon sugar, 150 grams strong flour. It's Greek. Now mix him up and leave him relax. It's gonna get the bubbles at the top. 1 teaspoon salt, put inside 50 grams of olive oil, 250 grams of Greek yogurt. Combine everything nicely. Now slowly, we put the rest of flour. Massage him. Now some flour your bench. Put him here. Now we're kneading him. Put some more flour you're kneading and keep going till it's coming like this. You know it's nice when it's a little bit sticky and very smooth and soft. Get one bowl, little bit olive oil inside. Put your dough in here. Roll him so it's nice oily. Cover him. Do your cross so it's rising nice. Now leave him sleeping couple hours. Now let's grow up. Put some flour on your bench. Put him on the top. You see? The Greek olive oil. Push him to the top, take him out of the air. Roll him up into 8 nice balls. Cover them. Now leave them relax 10 minutes. Get the one ball, a little bit flour at the top. Push him, circle your hands. Get the one roller. Fix him up nice till you're happy. Cover him, keep going. Turn him on the gas heat. Put a little bit olive oil. And don't go it too hot. It's not good. Get your pita, put him in the pan, and leave him cook like this for roughly 20 seconds. When it's got the bubbles a little bit, we're flipping him. Sometimes if you're lucky, if you cook that way, it's blowing up. When she's like this, it's done. Time for inspection. See, she's soft, she's folding nice, and very fluffy also. See how nice she is. Fix her up how you're liking. You know how much better it's making the gyros. She's bloody beautiful, mate.